Good day students, hope you all are doing fine. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is subtraction. We had learned this topic in class 1, isn't it? Yes. Now just to recall, what is subtraction? Come on, try to guess. Correct. Subtraction means taking away. Yes. Now the answer that we get after subtracting is called the difference. So now let us begin subtracting using objects. Students, here we have stars as the objects. So here we have 4 stars, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the minus sign. And next we have to take out 1, 2, 3. 3 stars from 4 stars. We cannot take out 4 stars from 3 stars because 3 is a smaller number and 4 is a bigger number. So always remember, you need to subtract the smaller number from the biggest number, and when you get the difference, that is the answer after subtracting, will always be a smaller number, not a bigger number. Only after adding, when we do addition, that time only you all will get a bigger number, and while subtracting you will get a smaller number. So let us begin. So we have to take out 3 from 4 because 3 is a smaller number and 4 is a bigger number. So 4 minus 3. So we take out 3 stars, 1, 2, 3. So how many remains? 1. So the answer will be 1. We have here second example. Here there are some cups which are used as objects. Now here there are 8 cups. We'll count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now out of these 8 cups we have to take away 2. So I take away 2 cups. Now see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Students, the next example, here we have some ice cream sticks. Okay, so we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now out of these 11 we have to take away 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Correct? 11 minus 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the answer. So 11 minus 4 gives us 7. Students, like how we had done addition on the number line, same way we have to do subtraction on the number line. So here we have 7 minus 4. So which is the greater number here? 7, and smallest is 4. So we have to take out 4 from 7. So I hope you all remember how to start the number line, correct? We always begin with a 0. So same for subtraction as well. We have to begin with a 0. So which is the biggest number? 7. So from 0 we jump directly to number 7. Correct? Now for addition, we used to jump or hop on the right hand side, but for subtraction, we have to jump or hop on the left hand side. I repeat, for subtraction on the number line, we have to jump or hop backward, that is on the left hand side and not on the right hand side. So here we have to take out 4. So 4 steps backward. So we'll start 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is the answer? 3. So the answer here will be 3. So 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. I have another example, that is 10 minus 4. So we have to take out 4 from 10. So from 0 we begin with a 0. So from 0 we jump directly to 10. Now do we need to hop forward or backward? Backward, correct. So we need to jump 4 times. So jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is the answer? 6. Students, we get the answer as 6. So we say that 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Students, one more example. We have 15 minus 8. So from 0 we need to jump directly to number 15. So we begin with a 0. So from 0 we go directly to number 15. Correct? Now we have to take away 8 from 15. So we need to jump 8 times backward. Correct? So we begin with 15. So we start 1. Yes, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what is the answer? 7. So 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. 19 minus 10. So we have to take out 10 from 19. So from 0 we jump directly to number 19. Correct? Now we have to take out 10. So we have to hop or jump backward 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the answer? 9. So 19 minus 10 is equal to 9. Students, now moving on to, we have horizontal subtraction. Now as like how we had done for addition, same way we have to do for subtraction. Now the first one is 10 minus 3. We have to take out 3 from 10. Correct? Now we have got 10 fingers. Okay, 10 we have to take out 3. Okay, so 10, 9, 8. Okay, so how many fingers are left now? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the answer. Or the other method is you can count forward after 3 till you get number 10. So 3, keep in your mind, count forward 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the answer? 7. So both the ways, if you do it in both the ways, you will get the answer the same, that is 7. So we write the answer as 7. Second example, students, 8 minus 4. So we have to take out 4 from 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many are remaining? 4. So the answer is 4. Next one, 2 minus 2. Correct? So 2 minus 2, we have to take out 2 from 2. So if this is 2, we have to take out 2. So what is remaining? 0. So the answer is 0. Next we have 16 minus 8. So now I cannot hold 16 fingers all together. Correct? Now from 8 we can count forward till you get number 16. So 8, keep in your mind, count forward 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have got here 8 fingers. So 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Moving on to vertical subtraction. First one is 4 minus 1. I will draw here sticks 2, 3, 4. So we have to take out 1 out from 4. So strike out 1. You get the answer as 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be 3. Next 8 minus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to strike out 3 and you will get the answer 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can count forward from 3 and stop at number 8. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is the same, 5. Next we have ones and tens column. Correct? So first we will do subtraction starting from 1's column. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Next 1 minus 0 is equal to, come on, 0? No, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Yes, students, any number which you subtract with 0, the answer will be the same number and not 0. Correct? So we get the answer as 11. Next 12 minus 10. So 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Next 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this was vertical subtraction. Students, now moving on to word problems. Now do you remember there were some keywords that were used in addition? Now same way, there are some few keywords which can be only used for subtraction. First one is less than, left with, minus and take away. So these are the 4 keywords which will be used in subtraction story sums. Students, to begin with, we have the first story sum. I'll read out. Saish had 26 chocolates. He gave 14 chocolates to his sister. How many are left with him? So the question says that Saish had 26 chocolates. Correct? Out of 26, he gave 14 to his sister. Now the question they asked is, how many are left with him? So the first keyword is left. How many are left with him? Okay. So we have to take out 14 from 26. Correct. So we subtract 26 minus 14. Correct. Now 6 minus 4. Keep 4 in your mind and count forward till you get number 6. 4, 5, 6. So we get the answer here 6. So 2. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Next we have 2 minus 1, that is we get 1. So how many chocolates are left with Saish now? Only 12. So the answer we get is 12. Second example, a shopkeeper has 88 pencils. He sold only 43 pencils. How many are left to be sold? So a shopkeeper has 88 pencils, correct? He sold only 43 pencils. So the key word here is how many are left to be sold, correct? So we have to minus 43 from 88. So we write here as 88 minus 43, correct? So 8 minus 3 gives us 5. Next 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So we get the answer as 45. So only 45 pencils are yet to be sold. Next example, Amit has 65 colored pens. He gives 42 colored pens to Smita. How many colored pens does he have now? We need to find the difference between the two. So we need to minus 65 minus 42. Yes. So 5 minus 2 gives us 3. 6 minus 4 gives us 2. So the difference is 23. So Amit is left only with 23 pencils. Students, hope you all have understood the topic of subtraction. Keep practicing at home and stay safe.